how to fix Forza Horizon 6 not installing from the Xbox app or the Microsoft Store. It's very simple. All you need to do is to open up your computer search and search for Windows PowerShell. Right click on Windows PowerShell and run as admin. Click on yes. Now we will need to paste two commands, which I will leave as a pin comment. This one is going to be the first one. Ctrl+C to copy it, Ctrl+V to paste it. Press enter. Afterwards, copy this one. Again, we are gonna press Ctrl+V to paste it and click on enter. Now you will see gaming services. Click on install. Yes, we're gonna install this. Now, once you have installed these services, all you need to do is to close this, search for services. Now click on anyone and press G just to find gaming services and see if it's running. If it's not, right click and start it. And now Forza Horizon 6 is going to be able to install on your PC. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.